Hello everyone and welcome to my first cooking video. So for today I decided to make pasta with Maltese sausage, chestnuts, passata, fennel seeds, parmesan, onions and garlic. So first up, wine. I forgot the wine. We got the onion chopping and the additional tears. So after peeling the second one, I realized I had two different onions, red onion, green onion, but I still used them. Then this happened. So if you live in Malta, I thought it was a nasty freaking creature. Anyway, onto the sausage peeling or whatever you want to call it, removing the outer layer, the skin or the cover,